Hello everyone, welcome back to VIPS TV. Today we are going to study should. As you know, there are many ways to use should, and today we will focus on the most popular usage of should. We use should for suggestions, opinions, and advice, and we have the structure subject plus should plus verb infinity. Shouldn't or should not are used to advise someone not to do something. And here is the structure: subject plus shouldn't plus verb infinity. And for making questions, we have the below structure: should plus subject plus verb infinity. Now let's get started. You should know that. You should know that. You should try this. You should try this. You should relax now. You should relax now. You should go to bed early. You should go to bed early. We should sleep 8 hours a night. We should sleep 8 hours a night. We should brush our teeth twice a day. We should brush our teeth twice a day. We should have breakfast. We should have breakfast. We should be friends. We should be friends. He should be here. He should be here. Peter should stop drinking and smoking. Peter should stop drinking and smoking. Her dad should stop scolding her. Her dad should stop scolding her. She should stay at home. She should stay at home. You should eat more vegetables. You should eat more vegetables. You should start eating more sensibly. You should start eating more sensibly. You should study hard to improve your English. You should study hard to improve your English. You should take Peter out with you. You should take Peter out with you. You should see a doctor. You should see a doctor. You should respect his life. You should respect his life. You should get a haircut. You should get a haircut. You should listen in class. You should listen in class. You should ask her about it. You should ask her about it. We should do something now. We should do something now. We should leave here around 6 p.m. We should leave here around 6 p.m. We should meet as soon as possible. We should meet as soon as possible. We should wait for him. We should wait for him. We should stay together. We should stay together. You should tell them what you know. You should tell them what you know. She should study harder. She should study harder. That should be very useful. That should be very useful. There's someone you should meet. There's someone you should meet. I think we should just quit. I think we should just quit. I think you should go this way. I think you should go this way. You should not touch this. You should not touch this. You should not do that. You should not do that. You shouldn't go out when it's dark. You shouldn't go out when it's dark. You shouldn't run. The floor is slippery. You shouldn't run. The floor is slippery. We shouldn't smoke. We shouldn't smoke. We shouldn't waste water. We shouldn't waste water. We shouldn't stay up too late. We shouldn't stay up too late. She shouldn't draw on the walls. She shouldn't draw on the walls. He shouldn't drive so fast. He shouldn't drive so fast. Children shouldn't drink coffee. Children shouldn't drink coffee. Children shouldn't eat fast food every day. Children shouldn't eat fast food every day. You shouldn't lend Jennifer too much money. You shouldn't lend Jennifer too much money. You shouldn't eat too much junk food. You shouldn't eat too much junk food. You shouldn't look so surprised. You shouldn't look so surprised. That shouldn't be a problem. That shouldn't be a problem. Should I stand up or sit down? Should I stand up or sit down? Should I read this book or that book? Should I read this book or that book? Should I drink beer with them? Should I drink beer with them? Should I tell my parents about the cat? Should I tell my parents about the cat? Should we do it? Should we do it? Should we invite Peter to the party? Should we invite Peter to the party? What should I do now? What should I do now? What do you suggest we should do? What do you suggest we should do? What time should I come to your house? What time should I come to your house? Where should we go? Where should we go? Where should we have the wedding? Where should we have the wedding? When should we have the wedding? When should we have the wedding? When should we have it, Peter? When should we have it, Peter? When should we use this? When should we use this? When should we live here? When should we live here? Why should I take the time for that? Why should I take the time for that? Why should he lie to me? Why should he lie to me? And this is the end of the video today. If you like the video, please like and share. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.